Want to instantly boost your website's credibility and conversions? Let's embed live Google reviews into your Elementor site. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin section. We're going to install a plugin that specializes in fetching and displaying Google reviews. Search for a reputable plugin like Widget for Google Reviews or WP Google Review Slider. Once you've found one with good ratings and plenty of active installations, click Install Now and then activate. This plugin will be our bridge to Google Reviews. Now, look for the plugin's settings in your WordPress menu. You'll need to connect it to your Google My Business account. Follow the plugin's instructions to authorize the connection. Usually, it involves getting an API key from Google and entering it here. Next, open the Elementor page where you want to display the reviews. Search for the plugin's widget within the Elementor Elements panel, often named something like Google Reviews or Review Slider. Drag and drop it onto your page. Now the magic happens. In the Elementor sidebar, you'll see customization options. You can select which Google place to pull reviews from, choose the number of reviews to display, adjust the layout like a list or slider, and customize the appearance to match your website's design. Finally, preview your page to make sure everything looks perfect, and then hit publish or update, and that's it. You've successfully embedded live Google reviews into your Elementor website. Your website now showcases fresh customer feedback, boosting trust and engagement effortlessly.